enjoy highlight reflectance and an increased sense of space, all while keeping an eye on the time, with a rectangular glow Time Deluxe LED mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. With a size and shape that will suit most double basins, the Glowtime Deluxe LED mirror features an extra bright, elongated LED light tube, complete with touch switch covering the length of the mirror, as well as 2 demister pads and LED digital clock display. Best installed horizontally, the Glowtime Deluxe LED mirror comes complete with pre-mounted brackets, has all electrical components mounted in the rear, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, which offers crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Glowtime Deluxe LED mirror carries the Live Green logo, thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Add both illumination and everyday practicality to your bathroom and lifestyle with the Glowtime Deluxe LED mirror.